This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. Irfan, why don't you go to the what was that? It's under the WebView2 tool. So this
Yeah.
morning I was I don't know how I got the idea, but I was like, hey, in VS Code, you can easily preview the Markdown, the skills files, right? And other Markdown files, obviously. And I'm like, how is VS Code doing that? Is that just rendering it, in a HTML type tool? And I was asking, and I said, can we do something like this in AHK Script Maker, where we have like a preview for the fancier looking, Markdown file? And it actually started like planning to how to do it. I'm like, no, no, no. I'm just asking you if we can do, like, is that how it works? Is it just a WebView2 library to use? And it's like, oh yeah, we can do that, no problem. So I said, well, hey, let's first make a standalone tool, right? Before we start. Are you sharing it? Oh, there we go.
Yes.
So in less than 5 minutes in one shot, I didn't have to ask any to do anything. It allows you to pick a Markdown file, and then it makes it, the jazzed up look version of it.
So let me show you this thing in editor.
Yeah.
अरे लाइट कंपनी बनती है ऐसी बंद लाइट जलता मार रही थी पीछे भी ऐसे हटाना वो लोग
Give me a second.
ऐसी बंद कर बंद
So you can see that how this text is look like, and this is equal. So
Yeah,
this is the markdown, and this is like preview of that one.
Yeah. So, and thankfully, even humans can read the Markdown one fairly well, right? It's not terrible. It's not like an HTML file, right? Which is, I think, one of the big reasons why people love it is it's still pretty clear. But hey, I want to look at the prettier version, right? Like I want to make that easy.
I didn't ever realize the formatting, how it changes just by using some of the pound sign or the what is it, apostrophes it's doing. I never really paid attention, but I'm like, oh, that's how it does it.
Right. Yeah, it makes it really easy to see if like, oh, okay, this is bold or
right. That's how we do a table.
Titles and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, and like I said, we can read the stuff on the left, but boy, when I'm looking at it, I'd much rather look at the thing on the right.
Yeah.
So,
well, it's easier to read on the right, actually.
Yeah. So my plan is in ASM, we'll have a toggle button to say preview or something like that, and it will allow you to render it. But we made a standalone viewer of Markdown files, in 5 minutes that could be just on its own using that WebView2 library. And by the way, you can see there that that's one of the descriptions is at the top, right? That's the first thing that's mentioned. And one thing we haven't done is in the skills, you can have example files of here's how it would actually work and here's how things to not do. I haven't done a lot of that.
So we can have eval and scripts. So this is AHK GUI eyes. And if I read this skill, it is talking about a script. Somewhere, I would say. No. But this file has a script folder, and in there is a script.
That's the tool it uses, I think, right?
This is the whole tool that generates
So that was the other thing in the video, which I can forward. I believe I forwarded before to the Hero group, but Nate was talking about skills, which we noticed yesterday when I think it was Gemini used his Claude skill, right? Like we're like, wait a minute, we're in a different model, but it used the Claude skill. But skills are now, everyone has agreed these are brilliant. They're the easiest low-hanging fruit to level up, right? He said all the mass model makers and everything, everyone agrees it's standardized, which is why we can intermix and use them across things, right? They've all agreed on the format and everything. But he said the thing that most people don't realize is right now, people were thinking of skills as I will call them, but in reality, they get called far more by Claude itself and by your agents and stuff. So initially, we were thinking we call them ourselves, but in reality, is like think of it more of you're building tools for Claude or your agents and whatnot to be able to call.
Get insider savings, 25% off courses, scripts, and done-for-you AHK jobs, making premium tools affordable and accessible. Explore our huge library of 466 plus hours of recorded AHK tutorials. Watch, rewind, and master tricks at your own pace.